What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I'm about to go grocery shopping during the coronavirus pandemic. Alright guys, I'm about to head into Walmart the day after the president made the address about coronavirus, so everyone is freaking out. You can see the mass hysteria going on. But I want to see what kind of products they have in stock. Seems like plenty of frozen food still in stock. Ooh, Texas toast. Gotta get the essentials if you're gonna hunker down. Okay. And all your 4 basic food groups. Okay, here's something that's alarming. They have the DiGiorno pan pizza, but only in the 4 cheese. It looks like the pepperoni is sold out, which is a problem. We'll keep trying some other stores. That freaks me out. All right, it's starting to sink in. We got the Diet Coke, we have the zero sugar Cokes, and we have the orange vanilla, but we don't have the orange vanilla zero, which, oh man, now it's starting to get a little desperate. And of course it can be tempting to drink away your sorrows, but in a pandemic you want to make sure that you are alert. So that means there's only one choice, and that's Heineken, 0% alcohol. In an emergency, you want things that are really calorie dense, so I want to check out this aisle. All right guys, leaving, and I was able to get everything that I needed, except for the pizza and the orange vanilla Coke Zero. But next time, we'll stay on the hunt. Peter Von Panda, out.